Hi guys, subscribe my channel Park Techniques and like this video. In this video I am going to tell you how to make your screen transparent. First of all, you have to open Play Store. I will open it again, and then you have to search transparent screen. After searching, at the second number you can see transparent screen by Safari World app. I have already installed it, so I will just open it, and after opening it I will click on start, and then I will click on start service, and after clicking on start service I will click on set wallpaper, and after clicking on set wallpaper I will close this app, and you can see now my screen is transparent. You can see this is door, you can see this is wall, you saw it was fan. So this is how you can make your screen transparent, and then you can make your screen back in the way it was before. I will click on set wallpaper, and now it is back in the way it was previously. So this is how you can change your screen into transparent way. And if you like this video, subscribe my channel Park Techniques, and for more queries you can contact me on my Instagram. It is this is my account. You can contact me here and ask me some questions. I will definitely help you. Thank you for watching my video.